Hello folks, as you already know and probably have guessed, a small problem of Sora is that in many videos, a part of the video is great, perfect, but not all the video. Or for example, to some extent it's great, but then after that it has inconsistency and some weird results. Let me give you an example right now. For example, check out this one. Everything is normal, but suddenly the body is weird. You see that? So you should either use the first bit until this part, it is great, or after that, from this part is also, you can use it. So this has two good parts, but not all of them. So what can we do? We can use recut. Click on recut. And for example, how much of it do you want? I don't want this part. Yes, from here it's good. This is good. We put this at the beginning of the video and the rest of the video can be generated for me. So we can do two things. We can actually determine how long we want it to be, the resolution, how many variations, the presets that we will talk about. Or we can also be like, what do you want to happen after this? For example, she looks at the camera and smiles. So this part, for example, was great, but I want this to continue like that. So that after this, it can look at the camera and laugh. So let's click on create and see what happens. You know, recut is actually for this, for you to be able to fix the videos that are not okay. Some parts of it are good, but not the rest. So let's search for it right now. We've got other things like this. These are okay, I think, now, aren't they? Usually it creates a problem once a body is moving, or for example is dancing. You know, there's movement. If there's movement, and there should be physical rules, right? Usually it might yield mistakes. Generally, anything that is related to physics and gravity and all. You see that now? See what happened? So far it's good, it's great. Everything is good. Suddenly, you see what happened? So we can just cut it. So far we keep it and then regenerate the rest. Or for example, we start from there, keep until the end, and then before that. Or we can be like, you can create however you like it, and we add the storyboard and give more explanation on what we actually want. And let's see how it designed the other one. Well, our video was designed and the results. Great, absolutely amazing, no problem. Nothing that doesn't make sense. It's perfect now, isn't it? Well, let's also do something else. Let's see what prompt was used in the original video because one of the greatest things, the most important things you need to do in learning how to write prompts is to read other prompts, and reading them can give you some sort of an insight. So for finding it, I went to the video, and here we've got C source You can also click on that and it converts the whole video to a text. And we can just make some other changes as well, right? You can also split the video from there. Or for example, leave one part in the middle, one part at the end. For example, in the middle it laughs and then again it becomes okay. Let's look at the prompt of this video. I told you that reading these prompts actually is very helpful. Generate an image of young woman with a distinct frame, a black sheer. You see that? So nearly, if I were to give it a percentage, I'd say, for example, 60% of the prompt was paid attention to. The beginning of the prompt was actually paid attention to more. For example, the background. We're going to talk about it. Don't worry about it. We're going to talk about it. Now, one of the problems of this prompt is that it's too long and the explanation is too much. Sometimes, exactly the opposite of the AIs that work with texts. In these AIs, you need to make it a bit more brief. But for now, we just checked it out. We realized that it was so interesting. I hope you liked this video, this episode.